So, do you have a plan B? We are now going through another major global meltdown. Financial markets, societies, and more people are going to be forced to work from home over the next few months. And I'm just wondering whether people are going to invest some of that time to explore new ways of earning an income, rather than relying on the job that they currently have. Maybe the job will be there, maybe it won't. I think you should invest this time seriously to explore opportunities online. At the end of the summer last year, the business I worked for decided to make many of the external consultants like myself redundant, and I lost my contract. A month later, I accidentally stumbled across an online education platform that teaches people like you and me how to build an online business from scratch and sell products and services online. Very relevant for today, right? Today I'm on the way to build my own financial independence by creating alternative income streams. And I'm truly blessed. I just see today's situation as an inflection point where thousands of people, literally, around the globe are going to be forced to work from home. Hopefully they'll use the freedom, they'll utilize the time that they used to commute to and from work to explore other alternative methods, more reliable methods of earning an income. And be brave and take that first step to become entrepreneurs. It's not easy. Actually, it's quite difficult, but it's very possible and rewarding. And you know, with the help of a global community that I discovered and the education that this community has put together, it enabled me, almost a 50-year-old, to make significant progress, make a new start. I was of the belief that I had no technical skills. In fact, I know I didn't. I was on the belief that I was too old to start again, to start a new career, to offer something to others. I was of the belief that I would not be a good businessman, that I would fail. And I had all those fears. And this community made me overcome those fears. The community provided me with the training I needed to become a success. Success for myself. And I want to share that with you. If you got some spare time at home while doing your day job, use it. Invest in yourself. Invest it in a plan B. All you need to do is allow yourself the courage to try. Provide me your contact details below and I will send you some free video series. And you can judge for yourself. It might be right for you or not. But if it is, potentially it could change your life. It may mean that you may never have to go to work again voluntarily. Hopefully see you on the other side. Stay safe and strong. Bye bye.